Welcome to the Yoga for Spinal Health Back Pain course. I'm Seva. I'm so excited that you're here. I feel so lucky to be here with you. So first things first, welcome to the beginning of this amazing journey. I want to thank you for enrolling and allowing me to share with you the analytic lectures that I designed in the special therapeutic course. I designed them for you because I want to help you take action and help you get the quality that you actually deserve in your life. So in this video, we are going to cover who is this course for and ultimately what you'll be learning throughout the course. So who is this course for? Really, it's anyone who wants to address any of the following situations, in particular, people with chronic spinal problems, people who are still in severe back pain after following the treatment suggested by their doctor, people who are in less pain or the pain is interval, people who are in no pain at all but want to avoid having any in the future, people who do sedentary work, people with a sedentary lifestyle, people whose work requires long hours on the feet, people who do heavy work, athletes who have still intense back pain after following the treatment suggested by their doctor. So what we'll be covering in this course? Well, first, we'll be starting out with learning about the reasons why our back hurts, what yoga can do for your back, and why this program is different. We will then find the right treatment for you that suits your type with the help of our online program finder tool. Next, we'll see how to properly perform the specialized healing exercises for your own type through our detailed video lessons. Each program includes stabilization, flexibility, strengthening, isotonic and isometric exercises for the back, torso, legs, arms and abdomen, as well as restorative poses. For all types, you can download and print the exercise routines with the instructions that come along. By the end of this course, you'll be able to reduce your back pain through regular exercises of all related body muscles. Increase your flexibility and elasticity through stretching exercises. Increase your stamina through aerobic exercise. Strengthen the deep muscles of the spine through the stabilization exercises. Take care of your spine and keep it healthy in your everyday life by avoiding unnecessary injuries. Strengthen your body muscles through empowerment exercises. So that's who this course is for, what you'll be covering, and what you'll be able to do in the end of it. I hope you're ready. And don't forget, I'm here to help you however I can. If you ever have a question or you need advice, you can always reach me through the course dashboard, questions and answers. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.